In the previous videos, we have seen some of the basic laws of indices, and among them being the multiplication law, the division law. I will advise you to watch those videos before you watch this video. And today, or in this video, we are solving a question related to some of the laws we learned in the previous videos. So if you look at this question, the question has something in common, and that is these are multiples of a number. And in indices, what clicks into your mind first is when you're solving some of the equations of indices is that you should have a common base for all the numbers you have in your equation. So all these numbers are a multiple of a number called 3. And first what we do is we express 3 as the base for all these numbers. Let's go. So 81 is clearly the same as 3 to the power of 4. And you also make sure that the previous power remains there, multiplied by 27 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x is equal to 729. We shall express also this one to the base as a base 3 and these two also. So this is what you're going to have. We shall have, let me change the font size. We shall have 3 to the power of 4x times 3 to the power of 3, and then we have another x there, divided by 3 to the power of 2, and then we shall have another x there, is equal to 3 to the power of 6. 729 is the same as 3 to the power of 6. So this will be simplified further as 3 to the power of 4x times 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of 3x. Okay, so this will be equivalent to 3 to the power of 6. And now we are going to apply some of the rules of indices. This one will be the multiplication law, or the multiplication rule, which says that if we are multiplying indices of the same base, we shall add the powers. So here we shall take one of them, one of the base 3, and add the powers, and that's equivalent to 7x divided by 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 6. Again, this implies another rule, which is the division rule. When dividing indices of the same base, we shall subtract the power. Then that will be 3 to the power of 7x minus 2x. That's equivalent to 5x is equal to 3 to the power of 6. Okay, so when we are dealing indices of the same base, and it is in this format, we shall equate the powers, which is 5x is equal to 6, 6 divided by 5 on both sides, and we shall get x as 6 over 5.